softly, such a treat. B for ball, it rolls so high, kids all laugh beneath the sky.
C for cat, so soft and neat, purring near the letter seat. D for dog with wagging tail, happy puppy never fail.
E for elephant, big and strong, spraying water all day long. F for fish that swims so free in the bubbles of the sea.
G for giraffe, so tall and kind, eating leaves that she can find. H for hat, it spins around, crayons, books, all safe and sound.
I for ice cream, melting slow, candy clouds begin to glow. J for juice, so fresh and bright, orange glass in morning light.
K for kite, up in the sky, flying high where rainbows lie. L for lion, brave and strong, roars with joy the whole day long.
M for moon, so calm and bright, smiling softly in the night. N for nest with birds that sing, chirping joy of early spring.
O for orange, rolling round, fruity scent is all around.
P for parrot, talking loud, flies above the jungle crowd.
Q for queen, so grand and fair, waves her hand with royal care.
R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop,
Through the garden he won't stop.
S for sun, so warm and bright, shining down with golden light. T for tree, grows green and tall, birds and flowers love it all.
U for umbrella, open wide, raindrops falling side by side.
E for van, it goes vroom vroom, through the hills and flowers bloom.
W for watch, it ticks all day, telling time for work and play.
X for cinnamon, ding dong song, music makes us sing along. Y for yak with woolly hair, standing proud in mountain air.
Z for zebra, black and white, running happy, what a sight.